Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make breakfast burrito. So here are the ingredients that we need. We need a flour tortillas. We also need a sliced American cheese. We need butter, egg, pepper, salt, chopped green onions, and salsa. Like homemade salsa or kaya yung store-bought salsa. And we also need um, baked bacon. So crack the egg into a bowl and then whisk the egg and add the chopped green onions and then melt the butter in a medium non-stick pan over medium low heat and then pour in the eggs immediately and then add a pinch of salt and pepper and swirl in a small circle around the pan without stopping until the egg looks slightly thickened and very small curds begin to form for about maybe 30 seconds. And then flip it. And then put it on the side. Uh, get a separate pan and then heat up your flour tortilla. And then put a slice of American cheese. Okay, so when the cheese melted, remove from the pan and then add your um, prepared scrambled egg. Add a tablespoon of salsa and then add your bacon. And then fold in the two ends over the filling. Fold the top and the bottom to completely close in the filling. Or you can use also a toothpick to close both ends and slice it into two. So it's now ready to serve. So you can eat this during breakfast or snack. You can share it with your loved ones. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Um, if they're really getting tired of the usual breakfast. And I hope uh, you like the video for today. And thank you for watching.